Hello, good day. Welcome to Traffic Publishers. In this video today, I will be teaching you how to design or create a website with your Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design tool, but it will amaze you those things Canva can do aside graphics. So let me just walk you through those things you can use Canva to do. But our major focus today is designing a website. You can use it for presentations, you can use it for Instagram post, poster, documents, stories, resume, flyers, mobile video, logo, YouTube thumbnail, invitations, video certificates, photo collages, Facebook posts. Now, our major focus, like I said, is how to create a website with Canva. Okay, so we are going to select here to the search box, and then we go to, we say websites, or let me say school website. I want to design a school website. Now, let's click on this. Alright, so we have so many templates that we can choose from. All these are templates that we can choose from. They are all templates, can we see, that we can choose from. So we just pick one and then we edit it. Now I love to pick this one for church website, this particular one for church website. That's what I would love to pick. You will see it is a Canva Pro. The template is on Pro, and I will be able to use it because I am on Pro version of Canva. I use Canva Pro. Now, how do you get Canva Pro? I have a video on that already, but I can as well mention it here again. How do you go on Canva Pro? Just go to your Chrome browser, type in Canva. Let me show you something here first. Sorry, my network is slow. Okay, I'll come back to this. I quickly want to show you um how to get okay, see, this is it here. Canva Pro. So when you click on it, you scroll down, you click on the first one, this first one here, then you click on it, and then you scroll down to where it is counting time. It's going to count down from 60 seconds. Okay, see, it's counting down here. After counting down to 5 and to 0, you will see get here. Then you can click on the get here, and then it will take you to join Canva Pro, and that was how I joined this one. Okay, so like I said, I am using Canva Pro, and that is why you'll be able to see. Can you see? This was the one I joined. Although it will expire, but you can use that same method to join again. These are the ones I have joined before. Some of them expired and I had to join again and again and again to keep using Canva Pro. Now let's see if that one has counted. Okay, now so you click on download. Sorry, all this. Okay, click on download. Then you click, can you see the name of the team you want to join? You click on get here, then it will take you to Canva and ask you to join. You've been invited, so you are going to join, but for now I'm not going to join because I am already on Canva Pro. No thanks. Okay, so now let's go back to the website we were about designing. So I said I want to design this for, let's say I want to design it for a church. You can design for a business, you can design for your school, for your portfolio, for your resume, for anything. You can design your website for as a landing page too. Okay, so this image, if you anytime you want to change image, you can see I clicked on the image. You click on the image and then you come to this place and click on replace. So I'm going to click on replace. I want to replace that particular image with something of my choice. So I'm going to replace it with the logo of this church. Okay, that's what I want to replace it with. Now if I want to edit the text, I'll come here, I'll click on edit, click on edit. Now if you don't want to delete the whole thing there, just click inside the text, click it twice. Okay, click it twice. Okay, can you see that? Then you'll be able to edit per word. But if you want to delete everything, when everything was highlighted, you just start typing and it will change everything. So I'm going to put something else here. Welcome to Hope Ministry. Okay, so if I want it long, I can just put it like this. Okay, this one, if you want it to be bolder than this, come here, click on this format that is carrying B, click on it and then click on this B which is bold, and then it will become bolder. Okay, so that's how you edit each of your pages. Now if I'm satisfied with everything I have done here, the next thing I'm going to do is slide to the right, and then I'll come here. I can change this one also. Let me see what I can change this to. Let me see. Okay, let me check here if I'll get something nice I really want to change that picture to. Okay, I'll use this one. That's that. So if I want to change this one, I can either ungroup it or come to edit like I showed you the other time. Now this, if this is the one I want to edit, now this thing looks too tiny. If I want to make it bold, I can do oh sorry, I can't do that because I did not ungroup it. I can add color if I really want to. If I want to add color, if I want to change the color or whatever. Okay, the color has changed. Then if I'm okay with everything here, if I want to change this one, I'll come to edit. A better world starts with a caring community. If I just want to show you how, since everything is highlighted, just click on something and then start typing. Can you see? That's how to edit that. Then you swipe again to the next one. You edit appropriately. Click on each one as you would love to edit it. Click on each one. And anyone you don't need, if you don't need this whole page, you can delete it. Delete table. Okay, so you can put your own. Now I'll show you how to put picture. Same way, let me put another picture here. Okay, let me put another picture here. That's how to put picture. Can you see? You can put another picture here too. Okay, you can have another picture here too. Then you put the appropriate tags to those picture with these ones. You put the appropriate things you want here, you put it there. When you are done with that page, you come to this page. You can change the picture too, change the heading, change this one, change the wordings, change the picture here, change the picture here, change the picture here, and change the rest too individually as you would like it. Then you go on to the next one. When you get here, you can change the address of your school, your business, your church, or anything you are designing for. You can change it here. You can put your telephone number. Just like I said, you don't want to delete the telephone, so you can just click on it individually twice, then it will change. Then you can input whatever you want to input. Okay, then this one is for your email address. You can put your email address. Of course, you are creating a website, so we assume what you have at the moment is email address. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. All right, so if I don't like the way it's looking, I can change it. I can change this background color. To another thing entirely. Can you see that? Okay, so if everything is set and I'm okay with it, I can change this one also. So when I'm done with setting everything the way I want it to look and everything, you can cross-check again. Is everything good the way I want it? You know, you can actually change this one to capital letters if you want to. You can change everything to capital letter. Like you can come here to centralize it if you don't want it where it is. Okay, that's the center. So if you want to put another thing, you can go to the next one, edit as you deem fit. Edit as you deem fit. You can actually insert videos too. Let's say I want to put a video here. I can come here. Let me look for a video to put. Is this a video? Okay, here is a video. Can you see? That's a video. So you can insert a video if you want to put a video too, the same way, like that. So when your website is fully ready the way you feel it is, then you can come to this preview. Look at this eye. This eye is a preview. You can come to this preview to check. Okay, so it's loading. Let it load. All right, so just scroll to check how your website will look like if it is on somebody's phone. Can you see? So if you are okay with everything, you can cancel this. Then you click on this place to publish. This place to publish. Okay, so now you want to publish your website. You want to publish your website. Okay, so here you want to do publish settings. Click on this place to do public settings. Okay, here you can describe what your website is all about. This is a church website to showcase our programs and projects. Okay, whatever you can put it as the description will be advanced settings. Come here. Now, do you want to put password? No, because it's a website, you want it to be seen online, so there's no need for you to put password. Then search engine visibility is enabled. Yes, we need this one, so this one will be left like this. Everything here is okay. If you cross check everything, you can check this one too. If you don't want these details that is here, you can remove it and then click on publish website. You click on publish website. Now our website is getting ready. Okay, can you see? So here is a copy of my website. Oh, I skipped a place where I'm supposed to show you where to put this URL. This is what is called URL. The name you want your website to carry. So you are the one that we add from this place, this straight flow CBT that I put. I added it myself. So every other ones Canva will put it for you. So when you are done with this and you don't want people to know that you designed this website from Canva, you can now go to your Chrome browser. Have I copied it? You go to tinyurl.com. You paste the link of your website there, and then you shorten it. Okay, you put it here. Sorry, what's this one? It means I didn't copy. Okay, I copied it, so I want to shorten it. Let me put my alias here, Treflow. Then it will shorten the URL for me. He said the URL is invalid because I have, oh sorry, I copied the wrong thing. Okay, let's come back. I'm supposed to copy this, then bring it here. Now I'm doing everything on my phone. Click on shorten URL. Alias is not available. Let me put alias 224 2024. Okay, now my URL has been shortened. Then I can now copy the shortened URL from here. Okay, meanwhile, you can also decide to do this creation of websites with Google Sites. Let me show you that. Just go to site.google. Can we see? Site.google.com. You can do this. You can pick a template there also, or better still, you start from a blank page. Now let me just show you this one I designed with Google Sites. Okay, can you see? This one I designed with Google Sites. So if you want to add pictures, you pick, can you see? So you just select, you upload, like that. I'll make another video another time for how to create websites with Google Sites exclusively. For now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, so that when I post another video on how to use Google Sites, you'll be able to get notifications that I have posted another video. Thank you.